Hey guys, welcome back to Souls Animatronics some more. Yes, I guess this is kind of a face reveal, even though I have a mask covering my face and a hat on. But the only reason I'm even wearing a mask is because, you know, the wildfires. And I know I'm probably the only person unboxing this guy in the big 26. Everyone else is getting new stuff. I got this guy. I really wanted him, and I know he's going to go away for good very soon. And he was very cheap, $180 total. So yeah, let's get right into this. Alright. And you got somewhere in the Mr. B shirt from Lowe's because it's tough. Alright, here he is, guys. Alright, let's get into this. I heard his arm is pretty hard, so that's gonna suck. Head, of course. Those parts. It's closed. Adapter. Her head. His arm. His other clothes. Her boobs. And then, oh shit, wait, do I have more? Oh, I forgot. Unboxing videos will be outside from now on, just because, you know, I feel like the way the basement looks, it looks like shit, and it kind of feel like some people click off because of how bad it looks. And outside just looks better overall. That's also good because, you know, most of us don't go outside like realistically, so that's good. There's also a lot more food. All right, so there's the shit. A lot of zip ties. Base, of course, and this. Actually, I don't know where his instructions are. He better come. Alright, I guess I'll do the basic parts and then I'll go print them out. So, obviously, the pulls. Same with this back pull. Alright, so I'm gonna go print the instructions out online and then I'll be back. Alright, that shit dragged, but we finally got the instructions. And guess what? It's green and blue because my printer's being an ass. But it's okay, because as long as we can read it, that's all I really care about. So, it says attach the mechanism. Let me make sure I even did this right. Alright, this makes sense. Alright. So their instructions got bad over the years. Oh, this one doesn't seem hard at all. It's just basically just an average prop. Next unboxing video will be ready, so we'll see how that goes. Alright. Left upper arm, part F. This sounds backwards. Oh, okay, he goes this way. Alright, that makes much more sense. No wonder I was so confused. Just the phone thing. For some reason, yes, I am that stupid. Alright, good. Alright, next. That we did. This goes here. Alright, yeah, this goes here now. Okay. Oh, now you won't be in this. Yep. And this was supposed to go here. Alright, so missing stuff. The hip thing goes here. For some reason I didn't miss it. Obviously, these instructions are kind of pointless. I don't know why I'm even going by basic ass shit. And this guy is gonna be pretty tall. Alright, now you open this. Pretty sure. Oh, his instructions were in there. Oh my god. So I printed that bullshit green one. No. Alright, so I don't know how, for some reason I missed that. Forgot they put them in that. So now we got real instructions on it. Yeah, okay, that's what we did. We didn't need it. Alright, now the cloak. Like I was already doing. Alright, I'll be back again. I'm gonna go get bug spray. Hopefully I'll drop anything on it. So. But yeah, so back to what we were. Alright, yeah, they're close. A little bit difficult, but not too bad. Check them out. All right. Alright, so I guess he starts off in, obviously he starts in that position. So yeah, that's cool. Alright, shoulder frame. Get out these mosquitoes, bro. Dang, it's like a million. Alright. Got that. That goes there. Alright, now we got her dress. Very first one piece. Alright, that's cool. Next, plastic shoulder frame. Okay. Where's that? Here. I'm gonna sit here like we're in school. Alright. Got that piece. Now, her head finisher. Next. Now her blue. Brother. There, and then next, pull up the chest. Okay. Dead mosquito. All right, there's that. Done. Yeah, I think we're pretty much done after this. Oh, all right. Yeah, I misunderstood. It's not supposed to look like it's supposed to look. It actually is really creepy. Like up close, this one is creepy. All right, pretty fast. The orange into the orange, and the rainbow into the rainbow, obviously. Rainbow into the rainbow. All right. I guess we're about done. Just gotta plug it in, and I'll get right to that. And yeah, so there's the white adapter box. All right, and we're done. So let's look at them. All right, so my only place to do it was like in the garage. Besides that would have been the front yard, which would have been a little too awkward. So we're just doing it here. All right.
Don't be afraid. Your time has come. Join me now and forever. We will own the night.
Yeah, he's really cool. This one is really cool. Definitely got him. So yeah.
Soon you will forget everything. Your life, your past. You will stay with me for the rest of eternity. You are now mine for all time. Together, we shall roam among the living and find our next victim. Don't be afraid.
All right, so he has 3 phrases.
Your time has come. Join me now and forever. We will own the night.
Alright guys, so that's about it for this. Thanks for watching, and I'm just gonna end this now. So thanks for watching.